Welcome to FREMA Language, the channel where you can improve your English step by step through listening, speaking, and daily practice. In today's episode, we will practice clear and slow English listening designed for learners at the A1 and A2 levels. Before we begin, please support the channel by subscribing to FREMA Language, liking this video, leaving a comment about your country, and sharing this podcast with other learners. Your support helps us create more English listening lessons for people around the world. The sentences in this podcast are simple, calm, and easy to follow so that beginners can understand comfortably. Many learners want to understand spoken English, but sometimes feel confused when people speak quickly. This lesson will help train your ears by listening to clear English sentences at a slower speed. While listening, try to relax and focus on the meaning of each sentence. Do not worry if you do not understand every word the first time. Your brain will slowly become familiar with English sounds and sentence patterns. Listening regularly is one of the best ways to improve your language skills. If possible, listen to this episode more than once during the week, because repetition helps memory and understanding. Now relax, take a deep breath, and begin practicing clear and slow English listening. Let's start with Section 1, a simple morning routine. Every day begins with a morning routine that helps people prepare for the day. Many people wake up early in the morning when the sunlight enters the room. After waking up, they often stretch their bodies slowly to feel more awake. Stretching helps relax the muscles and increase energy for the day. Some people open the window to let fresh air into the room. Fresh air helps. People feel refreshed and ready to begin the morning. After that, many people go to the bathroom to wash their face and brush their teeth. These simple actions help people feel clean and comfortable. When the morning routine is finished, people often go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. Breakfast is usually a light meal that gives energy for the morning. Listening to stories about morning routines helps learners understand common vocabulary used every day. These situations are familiar, which makes the language easier to understand. After waking up and preparing for the morning, many people begin making breakfast. Some people prefer simple meals such as bread, eggs, fruit, or cereal. Others enjoy preparing warm foods such as oatmeal or pancakes. Many people also drink coffee or tea in the morning. While eating breakfast, some people read news articles on their phone. Others prefer to listen to music or watch a short video. These small habits are common in many homes around the world. Talking about breakfast helps learners understand vocabulary related to food and daily life. Words like eat, drink, cook, and prepare appear frequently in these conversations. Hearing these words many times helps learners remember them easily. Understanding food vocabulary is helpful because food is a common topic in daily conversations. After breakfast, people begin preparing for work, school, or other activities. Many people take a shower and get dressed in comfortable clothes. Some people choose clothes carefully, depending on the weather. For example, on cold days, people wear jackets and warm clothing. On warm days, people prefer lighter clothes such as shirts and comfortable shoes. Students prepare their school bags, with documents, laptops, or lunch boxes. Being organized in the morning helps people feel calm and ready. Listening to these descriptions helps learners understand vocabulary related to clothing and preparation. These words are useful for describing everyday situations. Traveling to work or school is another important part of the morning routine. Some people walk to their destination if it is close to home. Walking is healthy and allows people to enjoy fresh air and sunlight. Other people use transportation such as buses, trains, or bicycles. Public transportation allows people to travel longer distances quickly. During the journey, many people look at their phone or listen to music. English learners sometimes listen to podcasts to practice their listening skills. Listening while traveling turns daily routines into learning opportunities. Hearing English regularly helps the brain recognize sounds and sentence patterns. Over time, this habit improves listening comprehension naturally. When people arrive at work or school, they begin their daily activities. Students attend classes, listen to teachers, and take notes in their notebooks. Workers attend meetings, answer emails, and complete tasks during the day. People often communicate with colleagues, classmates, or teachers. Conversations may involve asking questions, sharing ideas, or discussing plans. These discussions introduce useful vocabulary related to work and education. Listening to these topics helps learners understand real-life communication. Words related to work, school, and teamwork appear frequently in conversations. Understanding these words helps learners follow everyday discussions more easily. Now, let's move on to Section 2. Easy daily conversations. Daily conversations help people share information, thoughts, and experiences. Many conversations begin with greetings between people who meet during the day. Greetings such as hello, good morning, or how are you are very common in English. These greetings help create friendly communication between people. After greeting someone, people often ask simple questions about their day. For example, someone may ask how work or school is going. Another person may ask about plans for the weekend. These simple questions help start conversations naturally. Listening to greetings helps learners recognize common expressions quickly. These phrases appear often in everyday communication. Hearing them many times makes them easier to understand. After greeting each other, people usually talk about their daily activities. Someone might explain what they did earlier in the day. For example, a person may describe going to the supermarket or visiting a friend. Another person may talk about studying English or completing work tasks. These simple conversations introduce useful vocabulary related to daily life. Words such as go, visit, study, and finish appear frequently. Listening to these verbs helps learners understand how actions are described in English. Understanding action verbs improves both listening and speaking skills. Over time, learners become comfortable talking about their own daily experiences. People also enjoy talking about hobbies and free time activities. Hobbies are activities that people enjoy during their free time. Some people enjoy reading books, watching movies, or listening to music. Others prefer playing sports, drawing pictures, or learning new skills. Conversations about hobbies are common between friends and family members. Listening to these discussions introduces vocabulary related to entertainment and relaxation. Words like read, watch, play, and practice appear often in these conversations. Hearing them repeatedly helps learners remember their meaning. Understanding hobby conversations helps learners participate in friendly discussions. Another common topic in daily conversations involves making plans for the future. People often talk about what they want to do later in the day or during the weekend. Someone might say they plan to meet a friend at a cafe. Another person may plan to cook dinner, visit a park, or watch a movie. These discussions introduce vocabulary related to planning and future activities. Listening to these conversations helps learners understand how people talk about intentions. Words like plan, meet, visit, and prepare appear frequently. Recognizing these words makes it easier to follow conversations. Listening to simple conversations regularly helps beginners become comfortable with spoken English. Each conversation introduces new vocabulary and sentence patterns. Hearing different voices also helps learners adapt to various speaking styles. This exposure prepares learners for real-life communication. Over time, learners begin to understand conversations more quickly. Confidence grows as listening comprehension improves. Practicing with clear and slow English builds a strong foundation for language learning. With patience and regular listening practice, understanding English becomes easier and more natural. Let's now move on to Section 3, Easy Listening Stories for Beginners. Listening to short and simple stories is a very helpful way for beginners to improve their English listening skills. Stories make learning easier because the words appear in clear situations that listeners can imagine. When you listen to a story, your mind creates pictures of the people and places being described. This helps your brain connect English words with real-life experiences. For example, imagine a young student preparing for school in the morning. The student wakes up early and looks outside the window. The sky is bright and the air feels fresh and cool. The student prepares breakfast and eats slowly before leaving home. After breakfast, the student packs books and a notebook into a school bag. Then the student walks to the bus stop and waits with other students. Listening to stories like this helps learners understand vocabulary related to school and daily routines. Hearing these sentences many times helps the brain recognize patterns in English. Stories are also useful because they follow a clear order of events that is easy to understand. Most stories begin with an introduction that explains the situation. After that, the speaker describes what happens step by step. Finally, the story ends with a simple conclusion that explains the result. This structure helps listeners follow the story without feeling confused. When learners understand the order of events, they can guess what might happen next. This skill is called prediction, and it helps improve listening comprehension. For example, if a story describes someone entering a restaurant, you may expect to hear words about food or menus. When your brain expects certain words, it understands them faster. Listening to stories regularly strengthens this ability. Gradually, learners become more confident listening to longer explanations. Stories also include descriptive words that help learners imagine places clearly. Speakers often describe locations using simple adjectives and details. For example, someone might describe a quiet park with green trees and soft sunlight. These descriptions help listeners visualize the environment easily. Descriptive language introduces adjectives such as peaceful, busy, warm, or beautiful. Understanding these words helps learners recognize emotions and situations. Listening to descriptive language also expands vocabulary naturally. Instead of memorizing words separately, learners hear them used in real sentences. This method makes vocabulary easier to remember and use later. Stories therefore help improve both listening comprehension and imagination. Another benefit of listening to stories is hearing different voices and speaking styles. English is spoken by people from many different countries and cultures. Each speaker may pronounce words slightly differently. Listening to various voices helps learners become comfortable with these differences. At first, some accents may sound unfamiliar or difficult. However, repeated listening trains the brain to recognize different pronunciation patterns. This ability is important for real-life communication. People often interact with English speakers from different regions of the world. Exposure to different voices prepares learners for these situations. The final advantage of listening to stories is that it makes learning enjoyable and relaxing. Stories capture attention because they describe interesting experiences and emotions. When learners enjoy the content, they feel more motivated to continue listening. Enjoyment helps build a regular learning habit. Listening practice becomes less stressful and more entertaining. Over time, learners notice that understanding stories becomes easier. Words that once sounded unfamiliar become clear and recognizable. This progress shows that listening ability is improving gradually. Continued practice through storytelling strengthens both comprehension and confidence. Finally, let's move to section 4. Daily listening practice for A1, A2 learners. Developing a daily listening habit is one of the most effective ways to improve English comprehension. Consistent listening helps the brain become familiar with the sounds and rhythm of the language. When learners listen regularly, their ears slowly recognize pronunciation patterns and common words. At the beginning, learners may understand only a few words in each sentence. However, repeated listening gradually improves comprehension. Each listening session strengthens memory and language recognition. Even short listening sessions can produce strong progress over time. Listening for a few minutes every day can be more helpful than long study sessions once in a while. Regular exposure keeps English active in your mind. This habit builds strong listening skills step by step. Another helpful technique for beginners is focusing on the main idea instead of every single word. Many learners feel worried when they cannot understand every detail of a sentence. However, understanding the main message is usually enough to follow the conversation. For example, if two people talk about their weekend, you may hear words about travel, food, or relaxation. Even if you miss a few words, you can still understand the general topic. This strategy is called listening for the main idea. Practicing this technique reduces stress during listening practice. Instead of worrying about unknown vocabulary, learners focus on the overall meaning. Gradually, more words become familiar through repetition. Over time, listening becomes easier and more comfortable. Repetition is another powerful method for improving listening ability. Hearing the same sentences several times helps learners notice pronunciation and rhythm. Many learners listen to the same podcast episode more than once. During the second or third listening, they often understand much more. Repeating sentences aloud can also improve pronunciation and speaking skills. This method connects listening and speaking practice together. When learners repeat sentences, they notice how words connect in natural speech. Repetition also helps learners remember useful expressions. With practice, repeating sentences becomes easier and more natural. This technique is highly effective for beginners. Another useful habit is listening to English during everyday activities. Learners can listen while walking, traveling, or relaxing at home. Listening during daily routines turns ordinary time into learning time. The more frequently you hear English, the more familiar it becomes. Exposure to different topics introduces new vocabulary and expressions. Listening to conversations about food, travel, hobbies, or work expands language knowledge. This variety prepares learners for real-life communication. Over time, listening becomes easier because the brain recognizes more patterns. Consistent exposure strengthens comprehension and confidence. As we reach the end of this listening practice, remember that language learning takes time, patience, and regular practice. Every moment you spend listening to English helps your brain become more comfortable with the language. Small improvements happen gradually and build strong skills over time. Continue listening to podcast stories and conversations whenever you can. Try to include English listening in your daily routine. Even a few minutes of practice each day can produce significant progress. Stay patient and enjoy the learning process. Confidence will grow as your listening ability improves. Thank you for practicing with FREMA language today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to FREMA language, like this video, and share it with other learners who want to improve their English listening skills.